Hi, I'm Jason Wilcox, the Marketing Director here at TCI Engineering, and this is our new F100 Custom IFS designed to fit the modular engines. So we've taken our pre-existing F100 Custom IFS front end that's based on the eccentric upper control arm and made some provisions to make it usable with late model Ford engines. So we've modified the crossmember and then moved the sway bar out front. So on the sway bar we've included a notch plate that will go into your stock frame and then move the sway bar up inside of it. So it comes with a couple little tabs with nutserts on the inside to be able to mount the sway bar out front instead of behind the crossmember. So this front end uses our custom spindle with a chromoly pin, but it also has a new bolt-on steering arm that allows for a little more Ackerman angle. This new steering arm is also stronger. The way that we've designed, the way it mounts with bolts coming in through the backside versus studs and nuts on the inside. So the standard coilovers on this front end are Ridetech's 1,000,001 mile warranty single adjustables. They come with 10-inch springs with your choice of spring rate to match whatever engine that you're running in. We use Moog K719 lower ball joints and Moog K772 upper ball joints. Ensure your pickup's got plenty of heavy duty components. This front end uses our eccentric upper control arm. Makes adjusting camber and caster very easy. The eccentric shaft moves fore and aft to adjust caster. And then the hole inside the eccentric is drilled offset, so as you rotate it, it'll control camber. And there's two little 1/2-20 studs that hold the eccentric still once you've got the alignment set. The lower control arm pin is one piece all the way through the crossmember to the back side. We also gusset it to add strength and rigidity. The upper and lower control arms are both 1 1/8" OD 156 wall American-made DOM steel. 11-inch rotors are standard with our big bore GM calipers. These calipers have 20% more clamping power. The one-piece crossmember makes installation very easy. Just take one measurement to locate the wheelbase and the crossmember drops right in place. All of our parts come with a lifetime warranty. All of the components we manufacture in-house, like the control arms, the spindles, the crossmember, even the sway bar, those will come with a lifetime warranty. Whereas wear and tear items come with a 6-year or 60,000 mile warranty. So things like bearings, bushings, ball joints, even the rack and pinion will be covered for 6 years, 60,000 miles. For more details and pricing, check out our website, totalcostinvolved.com.